Welcome to Critic USA. If you're a fan of futuristic and extreme off-road vehicles, this heavily modified Nissan Rogue is a masterpiece you don't want to miss. With an aggressive wide-body kit, oversized off-road tires, and custom alloy wheels, this SUV is built for both rugged terrains and luxury travel. The bold front grille, sharp LED headlights, and integrated light bars in the custom bumper give it a powerful presence. Finished in a stunning metallic gold with black accents and yellow highlights, this Nissan Rogue stands out in any setting. The high ground clearance and deep tread tires ensure it can conquer any adventure, while the tinted windows add a sleek, mysterious touch. At the rear, the LED taillights, roof-mounted spoiler, and custom bumper with a dual exhaust system enhance its sporty appeal. Hyper-realistic reflections and studio lighting make this beast look breathtakingly real. If you love unique and powerful cars like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel. We bring you the latest in futuristic automotive designs, modifications, and off-road beasts. Don't forget to like and share this video to support our content and stay updated with more epic car builds.